Here we are in the engine room. Here are our AGM batteries, 72 amp hours a piece. They're strapped in to this shelf here. Here's where you can access the back of the engine. There's the transmission. It's also where you fill the clutch case oil, which you don't need to do very often. Here's the propeller shaft, as well as our stuffing box with our drip diverter. A little makeshift, but it works quite well to keep the drips off the hull. Here is the new engine exhaust water lock, and the exhaust goes back to the through hull at the back of the boat there, which also has a shut-off valve. Here is the, I can get some light on it. Here is the charge controller for the batteries, 110. And here is the solar charge controller. And this plank goes back into place to form the side of the lazarette that I'm in right now. And these are the control lines for the engine, transmission and throttle. That's about it.